Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make smooth transitions to your videos inside of CapCut. So as you can see, I've already got a bunch of clips in my timeline right here. And right now, it's really just an abrupt cut. If I wanted to make a smooth transition, I would have to go to the Transitions tab that you can find here at the top of your screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And you should be able to see all the transitions that CapCut comes bundled with. So you have your different categories here. You have your different styles of transitions, and you also have your search bar here at the top. So let's start by going over to the trending tab and looking for something that we like and fits the vibe of the scene we have in our timeline. So let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at that. And let's take a look at that. I feel like out of the three we've looked at so far, the slide zoom is pretty appropriate for this scene. So what I'm going to do is I just dragged and drop that into our timeline, and it should have been automatically added. So now we go ahead and watch the video on our timeline. We should be able to see that new transition. So very smooth, very seamless, and really fits the mood of what we're trying to set. So feel free to explore the transitions tab because there's definitely a lot to choose from. And really, it comes down to personal preference. If you ever feel overwhelmed with the amount of options you see, remember that there's a search bar and categories. That way you can narrow down the transitions that you're looking at. So yeah, pretty short, pretty simple, and easy to follow. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.